guys. Even out now, we're prepared for the storm. We're gonna go to the wash day. We're gonna go out and see if we can get liquor things. So, when you don't know, subscribe, like, share, comment, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Chantel TK1 everything. Alright guys. So me see now, I'm gonna jump fence now. Alright then. Line long. Oh my god. Through the hurricane alone make you spend money so. No so. When they start wheel round and pass them other one. We don't go come back to we not go get the food. If it did come straight, we don't get the food.
Yeah, but we don't get him.
Mr. Guys, day 2 on the road. Day 2. So I'm gonna carry and show you what Berlin I do today. So the last day I wanna pray for it guys. Oh God. Whee! I want to jump the fence and now somebody will come. Yeah, we'll show the mother jump fence and she young, yeah, she younger than me. Rotted guys, watch out. So where you take me for?
Are you gonna give me the mango the time? Where woman there? Out there to see on it.
May I tell you?
Oh, they act bad. Sheila. They say storm gone Mexico.
Really?
Who says so?
Don't man, don't.
Me that glad. Me that glad if the storm whatever. Cause too much excitement.
Me pass one place, pay water, them a beg water. One people a beg money. They say food them want.
Yeah, cause the most that you want in a storm for always have food that you can.
Man say I want fuck, I want pussy. So
Rotted.
to fuck. They rude man.
No sir. So that all that I go help them. You can't fool them belly.
They want body in the pum pum.
Shit house. Only here guy. No sir. You're so hot. You're so nice. Why? No sir. So see the traffic them start up. You not see no taxi since. No sir. Anyway guys, on the hear it. That's not if you go to Mexico. But me go run go do what me for do now and me for see the road how it a go on. I hear mad people up on the road, you know. Alright then guys, you know. Guys, look how me a sweat. No, let me turn up here wait for taxi, no taxi, nothing now come. Look how me a sweat, what's me in a wig. No taxi not the boat. No taxi from you come out. No taxi not the boat. Mommy, you could have left early or late. Taxi ration. Nobody now wait name their last day this. I tell her say taxi not the boat and she not believe me. Come here sweat. No sir. You like idiot turn up in the sun and wait. Finally get one taxi. I have a vlog, I'm do YouTube, so I do a little vloggy. Yeah?
That is murder.
Bye. Guys, here, so this time the category 6. Jesus have mercy.
Worse than Gilbert.
That may I tell her, she said no. Worse than Gilbert. That's time you know normal. By the time it reach a 10.
But me think it a shrink.
Me here say they are
Well,
Mexico.
if it worse than
It
Gilbert.
now come. No, me here say they are 5. No, me here say they are 6.
It now come.
I hope it weak now. Guys, me here say they are 7 now. Those
never
I
hear
want this
that
one
yet.
jump down.
1078.
Hello, wicked. This guy is starting, you know, see breeze there. No, we have to Berlin. I don't even know how far away it they fully have come here far it there now, but that's the breeze. Guys, hear the breeze there? It's a reach, guys. A reach. I'm going outside, come now. Each with them have gone along. See the sky? You're not nice, coach. Always safe, on top of God. Right, I'm going to sleep. Subscribe, like, share. Alright, guys, that's all. I'm gonna get it now. Me I hear it come 8 o'clock later. I hear all kind of stuff. We have light, but half part the most not the light and half part of light, guys. We come back automatically. That's that. Guys, I'm not sure look, I'm frightened. I'm frightened of it don't look that normal. The breeze was it enough bad as before. Guys, I'm gonna keep safe on the good side. Keep on up to date. I want to do right to suck out the back. Only down and with hot down and everything, so that the up space and I can get to see all this up. Yes guys, that's the after. Kind of done in a little way, but rain did eventually start back fall in the night. That's the apple tree. It broke it down, guys. So it's terrible. Storm is a real thing. Hurricane. Will not take it lightly. Some people are joke around it, but it come. Trust me. But we're safe and thank God, and everybody be safe. This is the hurricane hairstyle. Anyway, we never get so much damage. We never the breeze never come as heavy as in the country. In the country it come really heavy. All this, yeah. Me I sweat like gone for me yesterday. And guys, we couldn't understand why them bring the light on when the breeze are gone. I said the light come on, it come off, it come on, it come off, it come on. It must mash up something. But now say that, say it gonna mash up, you know. But guys, I don't know if I will get for putting the footage before this and some footage about the Berlin, but me have my footage, so let's see when the video go up. And guys, the battery there almost 18% or 19%. Get it because charged by my laptop dead now, so I hope I'll be safe and I hope everybody is okay. And guys, you see, all the things are going, and I have to make sure put up video of my channel so unique. Let's see how I kill up myself over now. So please don't subscribe, share up the videos, and tell everybody. Be safe. And guys, when hurricane are going, they're trying to bother go outside. They just stay in the house now. But outside, nothing to keep out there. Only rain and breeze. Something can lick people and drop, you know. Just using the head, man, no go out there. When rain soon stop fall, you know, it not go forever, you know. I hope them no copyright me for the little song in the background. I hope it not here. But guys, me there, and you know, I hope no more hurricane no come. And me I tell you say it hot. Me the out yes, me I tell you say I'm hot, bad. You know. But that's that. And what else? Me not there near radio, internet, nothing for no one go on. So if I get me there near, and I can put in little, you know, me will make you know, and think I know foreign people want to hear, and everybody want to hear what go on, you know. Today is Thursday, I'm supposed to put up the video today. I don't think it took a long like the others, but you know, if I even do my little video and the first one it show, you know, me I prepare for hurricane, and you know, my show now. Oh guys, the supermarket them empty, nothing not there. Everywhere empty, nothing not there. People buy, you know. People buy, me I tell you guys, a whole heap of buying go on. People around for make for guys, if them block out the part I call the copyright, you're not gonna hear this voice. If not, you're not gonna hear me and this voice. But my did just as a people are buy out, and you know, have to be careful and things. Yeah, I hope it not copyright, but you know, basically I just say my heart now, Lord God. But basically I just say people buy up, the supermarket is very empty, and people now make fun. What people normally buy is bun and cheese and tin things. Me eat my biscuit them. I really did tin things. Again guys, I don't know through the light gone and everything, them copyright me. We're not gonna hear this and we're not gonna hear both. But as I said, them eat. All me do eat biscuit. I really eat tin things unless I bully beef, and bully beef too salty. And guys, my light gone for 7 days. I not get no light for 7 days, and I tell you somebody tormented. It was a bad experience for me. We don't ever get the real hurricane and all kind of, and this happened. But thank God we have water right through because we have the tank and everything. But the light, God, guys, I was like a zombie in the house all away. I charge, I have to go friend house to charge, go this stuff to charge, I charge from my laptop, everything guys. I tell you, say, without light, I don't experience it again. Video for you guys, and I hope you can hear me, and if anything you can hear me, I just mute it and guys, I never remember to tell you, in front of me have light and at the other side have light and we not have light, and we have to sit down and watch the people them turn on them light, turn it off, I enjoy breeze fan everything, and we sit down nothing. Oh, them do the place, so the place have light and the place not have light, and if we never push out and tell them would come to our part and fix it. So thank God we get light and light stay. Don't go away. Okay? Alright, thanks God. Anything, I'm just have a lovely day. Look at me, so let me just be through me inside. Come here, hide from the sun, I don't want the sun here, you know. If it here. So guys, I'm just enjoy the rest of the day. And please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Comment. Please comment on my video, guys. Wanna see me work hard? Look how me I sweat I walk. This you know me not working, I walk. Could they? You not see sweat? Alright. So what do I say? I just like up the video, share it up to everybody, please guys. And subscribe. And please go over to Rum So Exotic and subscribe to my channel. Alright, I'm gonna take care. I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna go see the art, so you can just go over there and just look what them do. Yeah. So alright guys, I'm gonna take care of yourself. Alright, bye.